Tirelo and MP
Wena
Mello go live.
uzothola
Apparently,
ukuthi
there's number
ingane
for
yabantu ikhuluma
Ayanda.
iqiniso wena
Ikhuluma iqiniso ngani? Ungikuphela wena ibo.
yeah, uyaba philo nayo uyasho I understand on business my sister kade ukhuluma kuthiwa Ayanda wakwamkhathini
I-anti chic lesha nos.
bathi we believe you Ayanda
Akayaze phela.
akafuna ukurequesta
Wa kanti.
bayamsabisa bandla bathi unamangu Ayanda yazi kodwa bathi bayamkholwa ngalento ayishoyo
Phela mebemkhola ngene. Nangu la akuyena akayekho ubhaliwe la.
kuthiwa une-proof futhi kuthiwa unama-receipt she said she has proof ha mpumelelo
Uthi unani?
i-proof yokuthi wena wamthembisa ukuthi uzoba unumber 4
Okay, phela akeze.
lapho vela
Imake
yo
noma sekufunayo-ke prof indaba manje azobe bezitshela leyo nto lana
angathi phela ngithi ufuna ukuthi she
hayi
wants the promise to be
hayi
unqabandla wena
lana
ha
lana sengaze asitshele lana ukuthi bebethembisene awu kahle mbo
yini inkinga kanti lwandle wamkhulumela kangaka ubhuti wakho
wenzilani leyo nto leyo sengaze asitshele lana hayi
Lwandle wayekhulumela umpumelelo
hayi sesimdilithile
Dima wena.
sesimdilithile angasangena
ngimdilithile sho ukuthi
angasangena
uyamazi lo Ayanda
cha
wena
noma
wena Lwandle
kuthiwa bengimazi noma kuthiwa ngimazi kuyafana ngisamcela
bathi niveze umacela
bathi no something ngani lapho
Ulwandle know something kanjani?
sebebheka ama-lips
Mpumelelo was
amini
phone
base bafuna
shaking
madana
uyaqhakazela
Uba aqhaqhazela.
wena
Mina phela ngiyinkunzi yombhemi. Mina ngilithethe futhi icala lomunye umuntu. Mina wakona nje.
Lwandle yabona wena ngangikuthembile kodwa
Ngangikuthembile. Uyeke nini ukumthemba?
manje
Oh. Ungathi ngangikuthembile. Ngathi into yakudala, into present. At least present yani.
Pumelelo is now quiet because he knows the truth.
Akayeke isingisi lo, alungise lo quiet wakhe. Uyabheda.
Alungiseni?
Uquiet lo wakhe.
Uba ublock Ayanda wena umblockile Mpumelelo.
Bandla. Hayi, u-Andu Nyamalele. U-Andu bekhuluma indaba ahambe emva
But
kalokho.
did you guys block Ayanda?
Hello sanibonani guys, welcome to Spain News. Hayi ke nanga kusibindi madoda. Hawu nansi indoda yesibindi eSouth Africa. Yabona ayikho indoda enesibindi njengale la eSouth. Hayi ngiyakutshela mfana. Hayi yabole le idlula ngisho babwayo. Usibindi. Hayi mfana ngithi miyekeni uhamba yedwa. Apparently there's rumors ukuthi sekhona unumber 4. So shithukela uvele wayiveza lapha ku live. Utirelo live nosibindi wakhe nobhuti wakhe nobhuti kaSibindi uLwandle so shuthi uAyanda ke apparently is the new madam unumber 4 uvele wazama ukuyiveza lapha kuma comment section ukuthi ethi nami ngikhona don't forget so asazi ukuthi publicity stunt or Ayanda uya joker or what but with uSibindi guys I believe ukuthi anything is possible with this guy anything akalungiswa nendaba kamamkhulu ukuthi ubani umamkhulu okay already siyazi ukuthi itshitshile winile but uvuyo kazi sazi simbekaphi asikaqedi indaba kaVuyo kodwa manje already sekhona iruma hayi-ke. Alright, so nangoku umakoti naye uTirelo esephosta manje asazi ukuthi uzama ukuhinta ini. Maybe she's hinting us ukuthi sekukhona use omusha or what? Because she wrote a status, I'm keeping my new man private. I overhyped the last one. Like, wow, guys, yini ukuthi with these kids you'll never know attention bayithanda, but hayi ungabe uzisizile sisi ma ungaphuma ke kumpumelelo, ungabe uzisizile this like nabantwana basasebancane, they are still all young, fresh, they can still move on. I mean, by now we all know ukuthi Mpumelelo is not like unemali and stuff, sesibonile vele. So anyway guys, we don't know ukuthi lento izogcina phi, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.